Hi everyone, this is Peter. How are you doing? Amazon released some update about EC2. An update is about you can choose to encrypt the root device when you create the EC2. In the past, you cannot do that. In the past, when you create an EC2, the root device was always not encrypted, and you can do or you can encrypt it later, but you have to perform a few steps. It requires you to take a snapshot and then to restore a snapshot to another EBS volume, and then detach the current volume and then attach the new volume, things like that. I have a video showing you that, but there is no need for you to look at that now, unless you have some existing instances that the root device are not encrypted and you decided to encrypt it now. Then you may check my previous videos. Okay, so for the new instance, if you want to create them with encrypted root device, it is very simple and easy to do. Okay, start by launch an instance, and then you can pick any instance type, OS that you want. As you may know already, there are Red Hat Linux, Amazon Linux, even RDS is here now. Okay, and there are many. For me, I'm gonna pick a Windows. Okay, actually it doesn't matter for me because I'm not gonna log into it. Okay, let's pick a, just take this chance to show you what they have. Okay, what is available. Okay, then you pick one, and of course you have to pick the family type, general purpose, how many virtual CPU, the memory, and the storage type. Okay, I'm gonna pick the free tier eligible. Okay, then you don't click review and launch. If you click review and launch, the default it will not encrypt your root device. Okay, so click next to configure instance details, and make sure that everything is as planned. In your planning, which VPC you're gonna put it in, which subnet, and you're gonna use elastic IP or auto SIP, thing like that, and IAM role, blah blah blah. Okay, I'm not gonna cover it here. Click next for the storage. Here, okay, by default it's not encrypted. You can choose to encrypt it right now by select the default and have the KMS, pick it KMS key, okay, or have the Amazon manage it. And if you want to add additional volumes, you may choose to do it now as well, and then go next. And you may add a tag like server name, tags, server name as a key, or the project as a key, project name as a key, depend. You may use a tag for like cost allocation or cost reporting, or to apply some security or even some automate tasks or something. Okay, next, configure security group. And here you can limit the source IP to your home IP address or to your work IP address, or whatever you want instead of the world, or or you may add some additional traffic as well, whether it's gonna be SQL traffic, telnet, FTP, whatsoever. Okay, now go review and launch. And here, review and launch, under the storage, you can see that it is now encrypted. Okay, and depend on your IT policy or the requirement, you may have some requirements saying that you have to encrypt the data at rest. This is how you encrypt it at rest. Okay, that means your hard drive is encrypted and your data is encrypted, and then you go launch. And of course, don't forget to download. If you choose to create a new key pair, you have to download the key pair first, before you can launch it. Okay, everyone, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Please like, please subscribe, and please share if you may. Thank you so much. Bye.